and welcome back to my channel. And you will be watching this video in 2021. So I hope you had a great 2020 and you enjoyed your New Year's as well. Thanks to ones who have subscribed to my channel and supported me. But the ones who have not yet subscribed, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and share my videos as much as you can. In my travel videos, I try to show places I travel not only in Thailand but wherever I travel to India or maybe travel outside Thailand. And especially the Thailand videos is like a travel guide to ones who want to plan to visit Thailand, especially my fellow Indians or any other tourist who wants to plan a visit here. You can definitely go through my Thailand guide. I will put the link here and see what places you need to want to travel and how to plan your travels. So without much wasting time, today I'm all set to go and travel to a nearby place in Bangkok, and I will take you along with me and share the details where I'm traveling and show the glimpses of what I'm going to do today. So are you ready to travel with me? Let's go! So we are now at Ong Ang Walking Street, and this street is built over a canal, and there are many shops here to eat, and there are souvenir shops, shops selling clothes. So let's have a look around this beautiful street. It looks very Christmassy. So safety first, I'm wearing my mask, I'm not removing my mask. And now here the walls they have painted with lot of street art, so let's have a look.
Klong Ong Ang Walking Street is the latest of its kind in Bangkok and was inaugurated during Loy Krathong Festival in 2020. This street is located at the Ong Ang Canal from Damrong Satit Bridge to Sapan An Bridge. The walking street also features various styles that depict the mixed character of this area, which is home to Thais of different ethnic descent, including Chinese and Indian. This street is very close to the Chinatown as well. Klong Ong Ang is a section of Klong Rop Krung, a moat that was dug soon after King Rama I established Bangkok as the new Thai capital in 1782. Until recently, much of this part of the moat was covered with markets selling second-hand photographic equipment and various toys. However, the shops of many of which were built over the canal were cleared in 2015. After a beautification project, this area is being frequently visited by Thai and foreign tourists. The new walking street is great enhancement of this area's existing charm. There is also kayaking happens at this canal, but due to the rise in COVID-19 cases, the kayaking has been stopped. Klong Ang Walking Street takes place every Friday, Saturday and Sunday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. The artwork done on these walls enhances the beautification of these streets, and it looks amazing. There are various shops here selling from food items, clothes, toys, accessories. We were on the other side of the street. I will show you. So we were this side and now we are coming back to the other side of the street.
same Canal Street, and both these places have a lot of eateries and street food available here.
Apart from Thai food, you will find Indian food as well, right from chaat to all the rice and the gravy items. We even found a momos place here where we stopped and ate momos. I stumbled upon this lane while roaming the street, and this lane is decorated with Chinese lanterns. Isn't it looking beautiful? The whole glow of the lane with the lanterns made it very scenic and amazing to look.
It's time to say bye to this beautiful place, and I enjoyed a lot here. It's a fun place to come and spend your evening if you are in Bangkok. Do surely visit this place, and if you like my today's video, please share, subscribe. I'll see you next time with more fun videos. Bye.